Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover lost coins in Hamster Kombat. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover all your disappeared coins in Hamster Kombat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, I will advise you to update your Telegram application to the latest version. So now open your Play Store or your App Store and then update your Telegram. So look for your Telegram and then update your Telegram application to the latest version. So if your Telegram is not updated, make sure you update your Telegram to the latest version. Now let's go to the main solution to this problem. But please, if you want to contact me, you can click on the link under the description to join my Telegram community. So join my Telegram community so that we can have one-on-one chat over there. Thank you so much. So all you need to do is to click on your Gmail over here, and once you click on Gmail you can see compose over here. So click on compose and now you can see two. So we are writing this to Team Hamster Kombat. So support at hamsterkombat.com. so hamster So you can see over here support.hamsterkombat.com, and now you can see the subject. So what is the email about? So lost coins recovery request. So just write this: lost coins recovery request. So now then you come to compose email. So just compose this email over here. So I have written something over here, so you can also copy same. So you can see, dear Team Hamster Kombat, I'm writing to request assistance in recovering my lost coins in Hamster Kombat. Unfortunately, I experienced an issue that resulted in the loss of my coins. I had accumulated a sufficient amount and I'm eager to get them back. My username is, then you enter your username or the CEO name, and I estimate that I lost around 5 set number coins. I would greatly appreciate it if you could help me recover them. Please let me know what steps I need to take, or if there is any additional information you need from me to facilitate the recovery process. Thank you for your time and assistance. I look forward to hearing back from you soon. Then you can see sincerely, then you add your name over here. Now just contact Team Hamster Kombat and they will help you to face this. So just click on send and then send this email to Team Hamster Kombat and they will help you to recover all your lost coins. Or if your coins has been decreasing, just do this. You can copy the same thing. I will just post this under the comment section. I will just pin it under the comment section, so you can just copy the same over here. You can just take a screenshot from the video description and also copy it from the screenshot. So just write same thing over here and then insert the name as you can see over here. So you just write support@hamsterkombat.com and then you enter your subject, lost coins recovery request, then you send it to them and they will attend you. They will attend to you. This is very, very simple. Now you can also contact them on Twitter or X. So just click on compose over here and then you write @Hamster Kombat. So just contact Hamster Kombat. So Hamster Kombat. So you can see Hamster Kombat over here and you can see @Hamster Kombat. So you can write it to them and explain it to them that you are experiencing this problem on your account. Your coins has been decreasing or your coins has been disappearing, so you want to face this problem and they will assist you to face this problem. So this is very, very simple. So you can just drop your comment, or as I said earlier, you can join my Telegram community so that you can chat me over there. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching and also subscribe for more tech updates.